All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Chevrolet Colorado Z71. Now, before we get started, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe down below for more content, and let's jump right into it. So first things first, we'll start off with the key. You have your lock, unlock, panic button, and remote start features. Up front, you can notice on the Colorado Z71, you do have the LED headlights, 2 red tow hooks. You also do have a black Chevrolet bow tie with the Z71 badging in the grille. You can see the daytime running lights here. It looks very sharp. Also, you can see we do have the 20-inch wheels on this one. These are Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires. 20-inch wheels with some aggressive tread. You can also see the suspension components right there. And underneath, you do have a skid plate to protect everything underneath the vehicle if you're off-roading. You have black trim around the windows. You do have the button on the side of the door so you can lock or unlock the vehicle with the key in your pocket. Black mirrors. This one does have the black steps equipped as well. You can see your mud flaps and everything on the back. Same 20-inch wheels all the way around. The singular exhaust tip out the back. Z71 badging. Also, you can see the Chevrolet stamped logo on the back. All of your towing hookups. You also do have a 4-pin and 6-pin connector as well. You do have the parking sensors on this one that you can see there. You can see your spare tire underneath and all the suspension components. You do have a side step on the side, so you can step up into the bed if you need to. Opening up the tailgate comes down nice and easy. You also do have the markings on the back. These are in inches, so in case you need to cut a piece of wood or something like that real quick. You also do have the storage under here as well. Let me just unlock it. All you gotta do is move those to the side, and you can open this up nice and easy. So that gives you some extra storage capability for the tailgate. And you can close that, lock it back by pushing this to the side. And in the bed, you can see you have all your tie downs. You do have a spray-in bed liner with the Chevrolet logo. Also, you do have a 120 volt outlet. Bed length is 5 foot, so you have a 5-foot bed in the back for plenty of utility and storage. This is where you fill up your gas at, so first things first, you gotta unlock the vehicle, so we'll go ahead and do that. And you just push on this to open it. And you have the easy fill gas cap, so you can see inside there it's a capless gas fill system. And you just push it back to lock it. Moving to the back seats, you'll notice that Z71 has the red stitching all the way around. You also do have leather seats with red stitching as well. You also do have these red hashes in the seat as well, which looks very nice on both sides. The center here, you do have your cup holders. You also do have a sliding rear glass window. This seat also does fold up with this lever right here, so all you gotta do is pull up on this, pull up on the rear seat, and you have some more storage under there. So mainly under here is your tools to get out the spare tire and everything like that. So that's where you'll find those items at. And we'll go ahead and put it back down, and we'll hop inside. So I'm about 6 foot tall. This is how much leg room I have. Headroom is very nice in this vehicle. It does have a divot in the roof for extra headroom. You do have storage behind the passenger and driver's side. 2 cup holders in the back. You have your AC vents, phone hookups, everything that you need as well. You also do have a 3-prong right there. So plenty of utility for the back seat. Super comfortable, nice soft leather seats. Really nice back seat area. You also do have lights back here if you need them. But that's the back seat. Let's go ahead and take a look up front. Same thing up here, guys. You have the red stitching. You also do have this black camo pattern that you'll see all the way around the vehicle in certain spots. You do have your lock and unlock functions with memory seat functions. So you have 2 different memory seat settings with an exit setting. Power windows, you do have your mirror adjusters as well for the left and right mirror. And you do have a power seat. So you can move it forwards, backwards, up, down. You can just tilt this portion up and down. So just that bottom portion. And you can also tilt the seat back and forwards. You do have lumbar adjustments as well. And let's go ahead and hop in. You'll see right here, this graphic displays on both the screens as soon as you hop in. But we'll put our foot on the brake, hit the start button, and she comes to life. So first things first, we'll start off with the steering wheel. You do have your forward collision adjustments right here. So you can push down on that, and that'll adjust that gap to either 3 cars, 2 cars, or 1 car length. You have all of your cruise control buttons on this side. You do have the paddles behind the steering wheel, so you can scroll through your presets, or on the right side, you can turn your volume up and down. On the right side, you have a heated steering wheel. You have your adjustments for the center screen. So what that does, every time you hit this button, it'll pull up different information. So you have audio, you have off-road statistics, you have a simplified mode with your miles per hour, and you have the regular mode, which will give you all the information you need. So completely customizable center screen right here, guys. But really nice looking steering wheel with a black bow tie. Has modern aluminum accents around it with the red stitching. Looks very nice. You also do have your AC vents that are twist, open, and close. More red stitching all the way around. You can adjust the brightness of this screen by toggling this up or down. You have your trailer brake controller, so you can turn that down or up. Over here we have all of our AC controls. So you have dual zone climate, so the passenger side can be different from the driver's side and vice versa. You also do have cooled and heated seats on the driver and passenger side. You can turn your fan speed down or up, and you also have all of your different adjustments here for all of your AC controls. 2 more vents right here for the AC. This button right here will roll down all the windows. So as soon as you push that, it rolls down all the windows around the vehicle. And to put them back up, you have to manually put them back up with the controls on the driver's side. So only the driver's side window is automatic, and all the other ones you have to manually hold them down or up. You have a wireless phone charger here for your phone, 2 different phone hookups. You also do have automatic stop start that you can cut off or on. You have your hazard lights. You have your lane keep assist that'll keep you in your lane. And this auxiliary button here is for that plug-in in the bed that I showed you earlier, that 120 volt plug-in. You have all of your 4-wheel drive controls here. So you have auto, 2 high, 4 low, and 4 high. You have an electronic parking brake that you can activate by putting your foot on the brake, lifting this up to activate it, or you can push down to deactivate it. Shifter here, you just pull on the button on the front. You can pull back for reverse. You can see this one has the surround view cameras. So you can see in front of you, you can see behind you. You have zoomed in views of the front and back. You can also see the front or back wheels. You could turn the surround view on or off. And you can also see the tow hitch, which is super useful for hooking up a trailer. But going back to our regular views, if you go towards the back, you can see you have a couple different lines. So this one's the parking spots, and then this one's to hook up a trailer. Just makes everything nice and easy. And also you do have neutral, drive, and L mode. You could shift through the gears by using the shifter right here. So you can go down gears or up gears in L mode. And you push all the way up for park. So moving to the touchscreen, you can turn the volume off or on by pushing this power button. You can also turn the volume up or down. And you have your audio tab. So that's going to be your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Bluetooth. Also, you do have built-in Google Maps, the same Google Maps that you use on your phone. You have your different phone hookups, your trailerings, Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can also adjust your climate and go through the settings. Moving to the right, you have a Wi-Fi hotspot. You have your vehicle status, all of your cameras, your controls. You do have your off-road controls as well. So you can see how many G's you're pulling, your steering angle. You have Baja mode, terrain mode, and you have overlanding mode. So lots of different useful statistics depending on what you're doing. And you also do have the air down mode. So you can set your target tire pressure for whatever PSI you want, and the horn will honk when that target pressure is achieved, which is super nice. So you don't have to get out to air down the tires. You also do have the My Chevrolet app. So everything in the touchscreen is super simple, easy to use. Good feedback on the screen. When you push something, it pulls up as fast as you expect it to. You also do have Bose audio in this vehicle, which sounds very good. A little bit more storage behind the screen. You also do have your rear view mirror, OnStar buttons right there, all of your map lights, and you have your sunroof controls. So you can pull back the sunroof shade just like this. To open up the sunroof, you just push on this button on the left side, and it'll automatically open it up for you. To put it back, just push down, and you do have a tilt mode as well. So for the tilt mode, just push on that, it'll tilt the sunroof up for you, or you can tilt it back down. Same style up here for the front seats. You have the red stitching with the red hashes on the side. Really nice, comfortable leather seats. You also do have a couple cup holders right here in the center with that black camo at the bottom. Here's your center console. Have a ton of storage space inside of there. And you have this little cubby that comes with it, so you can put stuff on the top. And you also do have the glove box with plenty of storage space. But super nice interior. Plenty of safety features as well. Like I said, it has the forward collision. It has the blind spot in the mirrors, so if something's in your blind spot, that little car will light up orange. But really nice interior inside of here. Chevrolet really did a great job designing this car. But we'll go ahead and hop out. We'll take one last look at the outside. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the Colorado Z71. Would you take this over a Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road, or even the Nissan Pro 4X? This one looks really nice in the black color with the 20-inch wheels. Z71 badging all the way around. Really accents the vehicle very nicely. We'll also take a look at the window sticker as well, so you know everything that is on this one. Moving to the window sticker, this one's a 2023 Chevrolet Colorado 4-wheel drive Z71 crew cab, Summit white with the jet black and adrenaline red interior. This has the 2.7 liter Turbo Plus motor. It's a 4-cylinder with an automatic transmission. Base price of the Z71 is $39,900. This has the Z71 convenience package 1 and 2, sunroof, technology package, 20-inch wheels, advanced trailing package. You also have the Bose audio, spray and bed liner, and the generator in the back. So total price of this one is $48,930. With this 4-cylinder motor, you're going to get 17 city, 21 highway. Here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause it and take a look at it. But as always, if you're here till the end, appreciate you guys watching till the very end. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like it. Subscribe down below to see more cars. You'll also see a couple videos in the corners here. If you see one that you like, make sure that you click on it. But that's all for now, and I'll see you guys next time.